Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at this all new 2021 Buick Envision Avenir trim level. And one thing that you are going to notice is this beautiful trim here. You have the lock and unlock button, and there you have your window control. And here when you open the door, one thing that you are going to notice is the Avenir boldly written there. And you have a 8-way power driver seat with 4-way lumbar support with massage features. And this also have a 8-way power front passenger seat with 4-way power lumbar support, which is really nice. And this comes standard with memory setting for driver seat and outside mirror, which is really amazing. I think Buick did an amazing job in designing this new SUV. Now when you get inside this Buick Envision Avenir, the first thing that you are going to notice is the beautiful interior. Here you have this 10 inches navigation system, and you also have this beautiful digital display cluster. And on the steering wheel you have all this control on it with the Buick logo, and it comes with this beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel. And over there you have your other controls. In the middle you have this storage compartment. You push on it, that is where your wireless charging port is, and you have a USB-C charger, and there you have a cigarette lighter charger. And here you have 2 cup holders. Now one thing you will notice is that it doesn't have like a normal gear lever, so it has a button for you to actually push, and that is reverse, and this is neutral and drive. And I'm not sure what that is. And these are all for you to change your mode. This comes with a Buick infotainment system with this 10-inch navigation system. This also has voice recognition with Bluetooth audio streaming, and this has wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, which is really nice. And you get 4G LTE Wi-Fi available with this, and you also have a Sirius XM and other heads-up display, which is really amazing. And you come here, you have all this control here. You can see this Avenir comes with a panoramic sunroof, which is really nice. Now this is the only pillar that's really actually separating it, so it is open and very, very beautiful. And this is what the info this is what the and these are some of your control. Right here you have heated and ventilated seats, and you have your climate control. Now you have different mode here. Let me show you. Push on this mode button right there. What happens is on the gauge cluster you see all the different like mode. So here you have sport, you have off-road, you have tour, you have all-wheel drive. So it's really nice that you can actually change the drive mode setting. And the digital display cluster is very beautiful and bright, which is nice. So yeah, one thing that I cannot forget is that this comes with paddle shifter. So you look there, you have a paddle shifter right there, and on the other side you also have another paddle shifter. And this comes with push start button. And let's see, on the infotainment system, and here you have some of your drive mode setting. Is that this comes with heads up display. so you can actually see your mile per hour and different things that's going on without you removing your eyes from the road, which is a modern technology that has really changed the way things are done. Yeah, so you have your heads up display over there. In the middle you have this armrest, beautiful soft leather, and you push on a button under there. You have this storage compartment, and here you have open that, you slide it to close it, you just push on it and it will close for you. So yeah, beautiful. Let me go take you to the back. One thing that you are going to see is that the vent, you have one vent right there, you have another one there, and down here you have two vents, and you have your hazard light, which is really cool. And here you have this, and this is what the back seats of this Envision Avenir are like. You have this beautiful leather seats right here, and you have two cup holders in the middle. Here you have a heated rear seat, and you have two vents here and charging ports there for you. And one thing I must tell you is that this is very roomy, and one if you can see, it's deep there, so you have a lot of leg room, and I think Buick did a great job. And there you have that trim level on the door, and you have the massive panoramic sunroof. Yeah, so there is a lot of room here, and on the back of the seats you have a storage compartment there, and you push on that button. You can use that to adjust the height of your headrest. Yeah, so it's very roomy back here. And here you have the seat control. You can if you pull on this right here, you can actually use that to put the seat down, which is really nice and convenient. And you have back there, that is the cover for your back storage space. Yeah, so what do you think about this 2021 Envision Avenir? Please, I want you to leave your comment in the comment section. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell notification so that when I post my future videos, you will be among the first to see my video. And I'll see you next time.